to share you my present platonic. So, ito yung mga ginamit yung words. Gumamit kayo ng words na platonic. Tapos, okay? What do we mean by plate tectonics? When we say plate tectonics, this is actually a process. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin ng process? Okay? So, titingnan nyo, ito si Pacific Plate. Yan. Okay? Sila halos makikita. Dito. Okay? Dito din meron. Knowing those things, when they try to continue mapping the distribution of these geologic features. Okay. Now, here is another map. Okay, this is actually your North American plate. Okay, yung brown dyan, that's your North American plate. And the yellow one again, that's your Pacific plate. So, anong nakikita nyo dito? Tingnan nyo yung arrow. Okay? The arrows one here, that's your outer core. And the yellow part here, that's your inner core. Okay, which is the outer layer of the Earth. We have the mantle. And of course, we have the core. Okay? So, pag sinabi mong this is the solid part of the Earth. So, the main component, like to show you this one here, large ko lang ng konti. Okay? Plate D and plate C. Look at the arrow. Yes, Mar Fernandez? Mar Fernandez?
Divergent po, ma'am.
Okay. Why is it divergent boundary?
Kasi moving apart po sila, ma'am.
Yes, and CP. Which type of plate boundary is D? Diba?
Convergent
Yes.
boundaries.
Hindi yung sumasagot.
Mary Rose po.
Mary Rose, sige. Yung sagot mo ay?
Convergent boundaries po.
Okay, it's convergent plate boundary Rose. And obviously, this is your transform fault plate boundary. Okay? So, ito muna pa lang muna yung gagawin, kagaya ng ginawa nyo.
Hi, ma'am.
Sige na, okay na mag-leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye po.
Bye po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you po.